If you'd like to know how to make money on Warrior Plus as an affiliate, then this training is for you. Please make sure you watch it all the way to the end, because I'm revealing special golden nuggets all the way through that are going to enable you to harness the power of Warrior Plus.
Hey, it's Trevor here. Help me to continue helping you. Give this video a thumbs up. Say hello to me in the comments, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell.
Okay, so here we are inside Warrior Plus. And Warrior Plus is a marketplace that is specifically, I would say, I mean, it's not designed, but it's the way it's grown is predominantly, maybe I should say, for the make money online niche. Okay, there are lots and lots of products being launched here. Some of them are softwares, some of them are info products, and some of them are a combination. And most of them are aimed at the make money online niche. Right, so this is aimed at people that would like to know how to make money online. The thing is, with Warrior Plus, you can yourself make money online. Okay, this is the beauty of it. So you can be a vendor or you can be an affiliate. So if we look at my dashboard, for example, we can see that so far today I've earned $103 in affiliate sales and $46 as a vendor. So there's both sides of it. Yesterday I did $1,168 in affiliate sales and $405 in vendor sales. Actually, the vendor sales were my own products as well. So I earned over $1,500 myself yesterday, which was quite nice. You can see the earnings over here. So it's a platform where you can make money as a vendor or as an affiliate. But when you're starting out, it's probably the affiliate side of things that are going to be easier for you. And the affiliate offers offered on here will pay you a commission. All right, so just to give you an idea of how that looks, if we go over to top products and we'll see what's the top product selling at the moment. You see it's Print Monkey. So if we click on Print Monkey here, this is going to go through to the Print Monkey sales page, and I'm just going to pause the video. Okay, so this is from my friend Brendan, and what will happen is you will get the affiliate link, so that when somebody comes onto this sales page and they say, yeah, I want it, they click on this, that will be affiliated to you and you'll get the commissions there. Okay, so if we went to affiliate offers and we wanted to find out a bit more about Print Monkey, then in affiliate offers, if we typed in Print Monkey and search, we can see it down here. Here we can see that it's done 1,000 plus sales so far. The conversion rate is 9%. The EPC, the visitor value, is $2.75. The average sale is $30, etc. Let's just give us a few sort of metrics there. If we click on the name from this page, it's going to take us over to the affiliate page, the affiliate sign up page. Now on here, you can see everything you need to know about the product itself. So you've got the funnel map, the products. So the funnel map shows you the products that are in the funnel and how they transfer through that funnel. So in other words, somebody buys the front end Print Monkey, then they're going to be presented with an offer called Print Monkey Traffic. If they don't get that, they'll be presented with Print Monkey Traffic Downsell, so that'll be a cheaper version. Then after that, they'll be presented with something called Lifetime Campaigns. If they don't get that, they'll be presented with Lifetime Campaigns Trial, and after that they'll be presented with the Super Campaign, and it goes on like that. So that's the way the funnel works, okay? And you'll get commissions for all of these products as you go through. So if you wanted to promote one of these, then you wouldn't see link details here, you'd see request offer. So I'll show you what that looks like on a different account. So I'm in my Trevor Carr account now rather than my Trevor C account, and here you can see I've not requested approval, so that's where I'd request approval. So I'd click here and I'd type my message in here. Now what the vendor is going to want to know is what kind of traffic are you sending? In other words, how will you get people to that offer? Is it going to be spammy? Are you going to go out and buy 10,000 clicks that aren't going to convert? What I would recommend you do is create a review video and put that on YouTube. If you do that, and you call the video the name of the product, so for example in this instance Print Monkey Review, and then you type the words Print Monkey Review in the description underneath, and the description about the product itself in that underneath, and you put in some tags, Print Monkey Review bonus, etc., and then get a couple of backlinks, maybe from Twitter, post it on your Twitter account, post it on your Facebook account, get a blogger account, a free WordPress blogger account, and post a link back from there. You're going to get some backlinks, and you should be able to get ranked on YouTube, especially if you've got a channel with a little bit of a history, so you can get some traffic that way. So you say to the vendor in here, I'm going to be making a review video and I'll be sending good solid traffic that should convert well. Please approve me, thanks very much. You know, something like that. That should get you approved. And then that's going to get you the link here. If you look at the products, you'll see the kind of money that you can earn. And typically the front end product, which is this one here, Print Monkey, would be 100%. So you get 100% commissions on that. The reason that they give you 100% commissions on the front end is because they're going to get 50% of everything else that you sell, right? And as you can see, there's a lot of money to be to be earned here. Some of these are down sells of the same thing. So you've got easiest system ever down sell, and then so that's $97, and the easiest system ever at $157. So that will be the down sells that I showed you in the funnel. But as you can see, some really nice money to be earned here, and I really recommend that you give this a go. So just to summarize this, if you haven't already got one, you want to get a free Warrior Plus account so that you can sell other people's, or promote, I guess, promote other people's products. Promote other people's products as an affiliate. Okay, you get commissions. Then you want to go and you want to choose what you're going to promote. Now ideally, if you're going to be doing this on YouTube, you want to go over to Muncheye, muncheye.com. okay, so that's muncheye.com, like that. And on there, most of the launches that are in our industry are going to be put and posted up on this kind of calendar, right? So look for something that's not happening right now, that's happening a little while in the future, to give you a bit of time to get something together, like a YouTube video review. So we look down here, for example, we can see, you know, maybe a week out from here, we've got all different, lots and lots of different launches. Let's say we want something, I would suggest to kick off with something that's kind of maybe lower price. Let's have a look at this, Ashley Parry Revive. So you click on that, then you're going to go through to the JV page. The JV page is going to show you all the information about the product and give you an idea of whether you want in on this. Okay. Right, so we've got a JV video here, which is good. I like that. Sometimes you don't get them. Perfect quarantine newbie method to get people making money from home within 24 hours. Like the idea of that, like the name Revive. So if you're going to go and promote this one, you'd click on here to go to the Warrior Plus page that I showed you before. You request approval. At the moment, there are no products in here, so he's not got that ready yet. But if we come back to the JV page, then we should be able to see everything that we need to know about that offer. Just pause that video. And let's take a look. So it tells you what it's about. You can read the information on the product there. Then we've got the funnel. So the front end is just $9.95. Then the OTO 1, 67 with a 47 down. So you're going to get 50% commission, as you can see. The OTO 2, 97.47. Nice, 50% commission. The reseller, 67.47, 50% commission. Unlimited, 67.47. Masterclass, 197.97. So there's 5 OTOs, all right? It's quite a big funnel. That means you can earn some decent money. There's also a cash contest here. So if you sell make most sales, you know, you win, you get $500 extra on top of your commissions. And all of this can really add up. It can make a big difference to your earnings. And sometimes smaller launches, and this is a smaller launch because of the prize money we can tell for a start, you know, $50 for third prize. Sometimes smaller launches are a good idea to jump on. So that is how you would choose your product to promote. Literally, all I'm doing here is looking at Muncheye and seeing what catches my eye. So you might take a few to go through. Sometimes it's useful if when you go through the product to the JV page, they've got a demo video so that you don't have to worry about getting review access. But if you want review access, then I would suggest that you reach out personally to the vendor and you explain to them how you're going to promote, and hopefully if you've got a few sales under your belt, then you'll be able to show them that, you know, you're not new to this and you've got sales in the past. If you haven't got sales, then maybe you might want to pick up our product Headway, and Headway literally enables you to make headway as an affiliate. I'll put a link below this video to that. because that gives you a kind of secret strategy for making massive headway as an affiliate, so that when you go and ask for review access and you ask to be approved, the JV just looks at your stats and goes, yeah, you know what, I'm going to approve you. So that's it pretty much in a nutshell. Go to Munchai and choose the product to promote. Then what you want to do is record a review video. And in that review video, you want a few things. You want to explain the benefits. You want to demo the product. So if you don't get review access, then you might have to use a demo video to do that. You want to explain the OTOs, and we can see those from the JV page, so you can literally go and screen record. And you want to offer bonuses. Once you've done that, upload to YouTube, and you want to call it the product name review. So if in this instance, let's go back there, it was called Revive. So you would go, I mean, it's going to be difficult, Revive Review, that's going to be tricky, but that's what you would do, you know, so you would go Revive Review. If it was Print Monkey, for example, you go Print Monkey Review, all right? And then you want to say that again in the description, and then you want to put tags as well. You want to say it in your review video. So you want to say welcome to my Print Monkey review, or you want to say welcome to my Revive review, because YouTube hear that and they pick it up for ranking. You want to send some backlinks, and the way I would do that would be from Facebook, Twitter, and Blogger or Blogspot. That's going to get you backlinks so that it can rank. Aside from that, that's probably all you need to do, you know, just to get, you want to create a decent thumbnail. And for that, I would use Canva, which is free. So we go over to Canva, show you my Canva account, and you'll see that I make all of my thumbnails on here. So these are my designs. We go see all, and you can see all my thumbnails there. All right, so they all vary. I play about all different things all the time, but what you want to do is, you know, take a look at the thumbnails that people are using, the thumbnails that are getting lots of clicks, etc., and just play about with it, you know, do your own thing and see what you can come up with. So you create a thumbnail, and obviously then you want your YouTube video is going to go public. If you do have a list, then mail to your link. Aside from that, I think that's probably all you need to do to get cracking. I want to try and keep this as simple as possible so that you can actually do this. You can take action, you can get some results. So you get a Warrior Plus account so you can promote other people's products as an affiliate. You'll get paid commissions. It's all automatic, it's all paid into your account. You don't have to worry about having a PayPal account. You can put it into your Warrior Plus wallet and then transfer it directly to your bank account. You go to Munchai, choose a product to promote, contact the vendor, you ask for approval, you go to the JV page to get the link. Then you want to record a review video for YouTube. Explain the benefits, demo the product, explain the OTOs, offer your bonuses. Your bonuses, you can even use the vendor bonuses to offer in your video, or you can get bonuses elsewhere, for example from PLR sites, and different offers that you might be able to source out yourself. Upload to YouTube, call it the product review, so whatever it is, product name review. In the description you write that as well, in the tags you write that as well. You put a brief description about the product in there, then you send some backlinks from Facebook, Twitter, Blogger, create a thumbnail, go public, and Bob's your uncle. When people land on that, they watch your review, try to be as honest and sincere as possible, explain again, you know, explain the benefits, explain to them why they should get it through you because of your bonuses, and you should get some sales. Simple as that, guys. There's a lot of money to be made on Warrior Plus. Okay, hope you found that interesting and useful. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please say hello to me in the comments below, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. All the best. Trevor.
So there you have it, guys. That's Warrior Plus. I use this platform every single day. It makes me hundreds of dollars every single day. Now, if you'd like more information on how I do what I do, and you'd like to really scale up the whole process of making money online, then check out the links below this video, because I've got some incredible deals on my coaching and my mentoring programs that will enable you to take things to the next level. Don't forget, please give this video a thumbs up, say hello in the comments below, and subscribe to my button and click on the notification bell. See you soon. All the best. Trevor.